Nade tiya monte kerve ngora. Nyamanke yakore gentoki. Mwachayiruwe. Egesa kwege ke. Isege nyamenke. Lakini ke kusige ente biga. Nyamenke yakore gentoki. Mumroyo. Morochega. Nyamenke. Lakini ngokora robo kimabaki. Eke. Umuganyare Kenya. Umuganyare Kenya. Ekiagera abantu bachaye kuigwa omungusoye. Nganto tagete gonchoreria. Elito nyoro bugambi. Porobotoereru. Ubugambi butanyare kuna kwararia abantu. Uchanda abantu. Ekine kia kogera li musuri yaye. Ya bere li musuri ronge. Na inuga agusi. Momanyete mwati okreto bugambi. Kuro mwaka sagini. Mwaka James Nyamweya. Mwaka Sakari Onyonka twarenge komo. Ise mwana oyo Senator Onyonka. Mwaka Omanga. Mwaka Nyachai. Na tumna twachai kanu mwaka Obure. Twabere cabinet yejo. Ntomanyete chi cabinet kike kwangu ime. Onye tobwati utaratibu ya se cabinet. Labe nseko otokane kabire yebune ya otokane libone ya edili. Yonko bakurira. Uno mugaka. Ege tomura kore. Bono ege tomura kore. No korotota. Ke kusibono ngokwana. No korotota nga ichimbaratero chire topwatie tonyora se ngombe yite sibire. Kasina boygo. Bono Fred, you are the 6th, and I told you that. Why do I say so? The Bible tells me, Psalm 75 verse 6, when you have time, read it. Nothing from the east, or from the west, or from the desert will do anything. But it's God who wills and chooses to bring one down and bring another one up. May that be your portion. What do you say, all of you? May that be his portion. Point number 1. Point number 2. When you see a lot of noise going around and you hear all manner of languages being spoken against him, please take note and remember that omotobwata matundwa na rokoruko etoki amagena. You are blessed, you are bearing fruit, and that's why they're hitting at you left, right, center. And I say this, and I take solace from the Kisii metaphor. Onye chiombe chikorisi egeti chibwate chimori yo chiko tiria chiatiria egeti kere kigare kare chiatiriri eventually pakachira na segetoki asengina. All these noises you are hearing, proverbially, they are going to run up and down. Eventually, they will come back to where you are. Then, you must see what is happening in Kenya.
Be mindful. Yeah.
President Uhuru himself, the fourth president, went to Murang'a in the core of Central Province, the mountain, and he quoted, "He doesn't know Fred's home, he doesn't know where he's born, he doesn't know what he does, but one thing he knows, he's a workaholic." You understand?
Why?
A whole president was ruled for 10 years.
There's no space there.
And I worked with him. Has come out saying, hold on,
We'll begin.
this country is going the wrong direction. Let's put it straight. And he brings out your own son and says, he's a workaholic. Who are you? Who is me to come and doubt that kind of message which is coming loud and clear? Na ande mokaso. Bunga koni numono. Yo makoni legose. Makoni legose. Take heed. Why do you think they're after him? Because they know, given the opportunity, he's going to shine. They are going to complain. That's why they're after him. Abana baito bana bake ebiroge bibiansa birabyo abusa nane mona korengereria mampiede bo kaigo 27 abusa ngora igo ngora igo birete se chama kio ngako yoiga ese bire nere bibini karabie ba ke mucho kunyoro kucho magega kalmo akuri kwa kachukura basi na baibo bono manyete. I don't want to take longer than this. The final message in area Onyamoko Igwe Bono Tigande Tomako Ito, the 6th Wakane Chinkobi Yamakuri Waka Chukura. What's in a Bible? Bono Manyete. I don't want to take longer than this. The final message in area Onyamoko Igwe Bono Tigande Tomako Ito, the 6th Wakane Chinkobi.